application of psychology to environment and related field. Number 14, application of psychology. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. Welcome back to our new short video. I am good and I hope you are also doing well. In the last video, I have discussed about the syllabus of Psychology Optional Paper 1. Today I will discuss about the paper 2. Okay, here are the topic. Let's have a look. Number 1, psychological issue and application. Number 2, psychological measurement of individual difference. Number 3, psychological well being and mental disorders. Number 4, therapeutic approaches. Number 5, work psychology and organizational behavior. Number 6, application of psychology to educational field. Number 7, community psychology. Number 8, rehabilitation psychology. Number 9, application of psychology to disadvantaged groups. Number 10, psychological problem of social integration. Number 11, application of psychology in information technology and mass media. Number 12, psychology and economic development. Number 13, application of psychology to environment and related field. Number 14, application of psychology in other field. Number 15, psychology of gender. Okay, guys, it is the syllabus of psychology optional paper 2. Okay, in the last, I want to say stay motivated, stay focused, and believe in your ability to achieve your goal. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. Happy journey.